The question for the day: what is your personality style? Personality researchers have an intriguing way of cataloging personal traits. They speak about the Big Five, which include openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Let's review them quickly. Openness is characterized by a passion for new ideas, imagination, curiosity, and creative pursuits. These people are the artists of the world. Conscientiousness is about attention to detail, discipline, and a solid work ethic. These personality types like to get things done promptly and properly. Extraversion is the trait associated with those who enjoy being the life of the party, the extroverts. Their batteries are recharged by spending time with others. Agreeableness is the trait assigned to those who are interpersonally warm, trustworthy, kind, and cooperative. They tend to adjust to others rather than overpowering others. Neuroticism has to do with negative emotions like anxiety, sadness, anger, envy, or jealousy. As such, neurotics can be mercurial, volatile, and even explosive. What is the source of personality styles? The influence of parenting is often overestimated. Perhaps you've seen it in your own family. You and your brother or sister were raised by the same parents, and yet your personalities are clearly different, sometimes dramatically different. Your DNA wiring seems as divergent as bananas and kumquats. In general, the Big Five personality traits are not static. They can shift over time. One or two personality traits being more or less important as you age. Personally speaking, I've certainly seen bursts of neuroticism in my own life from time to time. And likewise, I've seen periods of creative vitality followed by long spells of apathy. Finally, this caution: more of a trait is not necessarily better. For example, I tend to be open to creative pursuits, conscientiously disciplined, and annoyingly extroverted. That can be off-putting for those who are less comfortable with those traits and consequently can escalate interpersonal tension. So, what are your thoughts about personality traits? Can you name your style? Have your traits shifted with time or conditions? Have you ever tried to expand, for example, your creativity or lower your neuroticism? Has that worked? If so, how? If not, why not? Would the person who knows you the most agree with your assessment? Feel free to leave a comment or bring up the topic over lunch, which is where the question of the day originated at our home.